it's Krista with WTI. Has any of your furniture ever fallen victim to unsightly drink stains after setting a glass on your furniture or countertop? Well, worry no more. This Deco 79 Carrara Marble Coaster set is not only going to protect your furniture, it's going to give you peace of mind whenever someone sets something on your surface. Some of the features that keeps me coming back to use these coasters again and again are the fact that each coaster has rubber guards on the bottom, which protects any surface from being scratched as I use it. I also really like that these coasters individually are quite heavy and have a nice weight to them. This means that when it's on the countertop and there's maybe a glass of wine or a mug of coffee on it, it's not easily going to slip around or be spilled. I always considered Carrara Marble to be out of my reach, but this coaster set is really so affordable. It gives me that luxury high-end appearance at a price that was just right for my budget. These Carrara Marble coasters are a striking complement to any home decor. So no matter which room you choose to use them in, they are really going to give that touch of elegance that you'll love. And that's my point of view.